oh boy, what do we have here? Like a new part for my Suzuki from United Kingdom. And what's there? Surprise, surprise! An exhaust manifold. This one is made for Swift Sport 1.6 and it's made by Gravity. They are not sponsoring or anything, I just found them on eBay, the cheapest stuff that I couldn't find, and I don't know, feedback for them is good, so I guess that will work for me too. My main concern is about this, flange here. I wonder if it will fit my, original Wagon R exhaust pipe, but if not, we'll modify that and we'll see. So let's go to the garage and fit this thing. So the main reason why I'm doing this exhaust manifold swap is because this one is from this 1.3 engine, and it has a let me show you, like a smaller diameter here where the exhaust runners are. So mainly what bad is like a restriction here. Let me show you here. Yeah, so this was the 1.6 gasket here, and as you can see, it has some space here that could be used for exhaust, running out those gases out. And this one has like larger diameter here. So let me show you what I mean about. Kind of hard to do it with one hand, but okay. Also, as you can see, they also finished the inside. Not polished, okay, but still good. All those, bad things were grinded, so I'm happy with the quality of this manifold here. And here we have like 3.5, 35 millimeters here, and 1.3, as you can see, it doesn't fit. As I remember, it had like 32, I guess, or whatever. 33. So like 1.5 millimeters larger there, and yeah, here 35. And the exhaust ports are also larger. Still some space for improvement, I guess, but or maybe not. Let me yeah, it'll be easier here. Okay. So 34, I guess. So we even might, if there was a case that I could remove the head, like engine head, we could, port this more, I guess, for 1 mil. So yeah, that's millimeters, but still, performance is performance, and every millimeter counts. So yeah, this is going to be fine. And also because of those equal length 4 runners from the exhaust port, then they come together in 2 and then meet up here to the one. This one is also larger in diameter. Mine exhaust pipe is 45-ish or whatever. This one is 55, so I might improve that in later. But luckily, I was worried about the if this one is 45, then I'm gonna fit this one. But luckily they do like this, let's say, enlargement there, and this part here is 455 too, so these connecting bits should be the same. We will see. Okay, so don't be fooled, and before doing this job, make sure you got this exhaust ring that is 72 or 71, something like that, outside, and 55 inside. I managed to pull this old one and it's gonna be fine, but still it's always smarter to put the new things. Yeah, and the profiles should be like this, so, and also something like 19 like the length of it or whatever. So yeah, make sure you got this. So she's a thing of beauty and it's in, but people, it's a little bit too short. So it's mainly because this one is for Swift and mine car is, Wagon R Plus, so not a big a deal. Tomorrow we go to my friend at the muffler shop and we'll fix this. Are we ready to hear the sound just from the headers? I'm not sure. It's freaking hilarious. I kinda like the tone when you're in the high rev. That should be nice when we'll, do It was quite obvious that the sound's gonna change after I installed that exhaust manifold, so I did this before and after fart show for you to enjoy. Exhaust manifold changed the sound of the car. Like, I haven't modified the exhaust, like the actual piping, and wow, that's so different now. And it's kind of nice, but it's now louder, and as you can hear, like, just a little bit on the throttle, and come on, it's louder than it was before, so maybe it's a little bit too loud for me, but I'm gonna play with that for a while and just, you know, have fun. The second thing that I wasn't expecting is how much is added to my overall power. Let's say I made a pull before that, and as I told you before, it is like it was around 10 seconds to 100, but now I made a pull with this new manifold here, and now it's 9 seconds, like 9.2, but okay, it wasn't perfect. I can make it to 9. So I cut a whole second here to 100. So I'm amazed, and I don't know, 200 euro, and nice performance to have here. So thumbs up to this manifold, thumbs up to Gravity. I know that it's not like a real performance one. Toda makes, you know, longer tubing and those runners, but they cost like more than 1,000 euros. So wow, for 200s, that's you know, that's a bargain, let's say. Thanks for them. And okay, thank you for watching. If you're considering for buying this, buy this one. I don't care. You can even buy a different one. I guess they're gonna be all the same. Just find one like cheaper or something around that price. That's a good thing for your money.